Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your Cloud Learning Journey partner. So let me ask you a question at the very beginning of today's video. Are you planning to start your career in IT, whether you finished your graduation and you want to create a roadmap so that you will have a better IT career, or you are currently in different field and you want to do a career transition to IT and you are not quite sure which field would be the best option for you to start with? Well, let me help you with that. The topic of today's video is like top 3 IT fields that pays the most in 2024. So these are the fields that will make sure you have the ultimate edge. The time and energy that you're going to put to learn a new skill set, it will make sure it will pay off. So please stick to the end of today's video. After watching today's video, you will have a complete idea like which field you need to start with and what's the earning potentiality. So before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I'm Arif. I do have more than 9 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Beside that, I also hold CISSP and CCSP certification, which are the industry standard of cloud security certification. Well, this channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and IT career tips. So if you're interested in this topic, this channel is definitely for you. I'm gonna upload a tons of videos in this topic, so please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming contents. Number one field to focus on in 2024 is cybersecurity. There is a reason behind it. So in a recent survey, it is found that the number of jobs that are available in 2024 for cybersecurity field is way more than the people who are skillful in this field. So that means an opportunity for the newcomers, for the fresh graduates, or the person who wants to do a career transition in IT. So all you need to do is to develop your skill set, then the jobs are all there. You can just find a job easily in cybersecurity field, and the job security is way more compared to other IT field. Because just think about it. So a company can distribute their workload to some offshore companies or some third party for some particular thing, like for developing some app or stuff like that. But when it comes security, like cyber security, they need to hire someone in house, and they won't like it to fire the person more frequently, because it's a lot of things. Because as a cybersecurity guy, you handle a lot of things, and if they hire a new person, they have to train the new person, which is gonna take more than like 6 months, a year, which is a very big loss for the company. So if you want to have a secure career, then cybersecurity is definitely your field. And now let's talk about some numbers, like what's the earning potential in cybersecurity. That's the title of today's video. And if you have the proper skill sets, it's very likely gonna earn more than like 250K. In some cases, if you have like decades of experience in cybersecurity field, you can easily cross the 400 or 500K benchmark. That's pretty easy, because to become a cybersecurity expert, you have to study a lot. You have to know a lot of things. You have to know about networking. You have to know about like all kind of attacks. You have to think about how to do the penetration testing. You have to know the compliances. You need to know the GDPR, ISO, SOC 2. So a lot of things you have to be expert at if you want to be a perfect cybersecurity expert. So my suggestion to you is that always start from beginning. So never feel like it's too late, like I am not I won't be able to cope up with this pace. How can I finish all of this? Just take the first step. Start your cybersecurity journey. For cybersecurity journey, I would highly suggest you, like if you are new at this field, please start with some certification. And the one certification that you should start with is the CompTIA Security Plus, which is an excellent certification. It helps you to build a very strong base, like all the basic concepts will be clear once you pass a certification. And this highly renowned certification, if you have this certification under your CV, you will definitely land an entry-level job in cybersecurity field. So that's my suggestion for you. The second field is artificial intelligence and machine learning. In 2024, AI and ML is going crazy. Like in every sector, people are trying to integrate their system with AI, because this is the new trend. Like it doesn't matter which industry you are talking about. If you are talking about, like, yes, my product, my application, or my a particular thing is pretty much integrated with AI, and it is following the recent trend, then you're all sorted. So now this is the time for you to start your career in AI, because it gonna continue for more and more years. I can see that coming. So if you're good at algorithm, if you're good at coding, then this field is definitely for you. And even if you talk about the healthcare sector nowadays, the last job that I was working on, we I was working in the health sector. Like it's more of a like tech role for me. But what they were doing, they were integrating AI ML with the IoT devices they use for their operation room. So just think about this. One of the implications, like how things are changing now. We'll have a better success rate at operation theater, and this is one field. You can integrate AI in finance, you can integrate AI in entertainment world too. So the possibility is limitless. So all you need to do is to develop your skill set in this particular field, and you're gonna land a lot of a very good job in this field. And if we are talking about number, like how much we can get paid as a AI engineer or as a data scientist, let's talk about some numbers. So it's very likely you're gonna start, even if you're a fresh graduate, you can start your career with a six-figure salary, and eventually once you build your skill set, you can easily earn from 250K to 400K easily, because this is a trending field, and the companies are looking for people who have the skill set, the vision to make something, to build something from this particular field, which is AI and machine learning. The third field that pays the most in 2024 is cloud computing. Cloud computing is doing great in 2024. More and more companies are moving their infrastructure to cloud, like full infrastructure or part of it, because of the benefits. It's highly available, the security is better, it is more cost efficient. There are tons of benefits of cloud computing. I have more than 9 years of experience in cloud computing, and I can guide you like how you can start your career in cloud computing. The first thing you can do is you can learn the basic. There are a lot of online free resources that you can go through to learn the basic. Once you clear the basics, then you can go for some cloud vendor certifications. Well, whenever we're talking about cloud, we're talking about three major key players. The number one is Amazon Web Service, the second is Microsoft Azure, and the third one is Google Cloud. So all you need to do is you need to focus on any one of these particular cloud providers and get certifications. I started with AWS because AWS is the industry leader of cloud field. So if you learn AWS, if you're proficient in AWS, you will get many more job opportunities comparing to other cloud providers. But one more thing to mention here, other providers, these two are also growing pretty fast. So first learn one and be very good at it, and then you can learn the other two. The good part about cloud providers, like it's more like programming. If you know C, you can learn C++ pretty easily, because the backend, all the logics pretty much the same. Some changes in the syntax which you can adopt very easily too. And now let's talk about the earning potentiality, like how much you can earn as a cloud engineer. There are multiple roles. As a cloud engineer, you could be cloud solutions architect, it could be cloud DevOps engineer, you could be cloud system administrator, you could be cloud security expert. There are a lot of roles. So as the beginner, you can easily earn six-figure salary in cloud if you have the skill sets. It's all depends on the skill set. So, and if you have some experience, if you are like you have 5 or 6 years of experience, you can easily land jobs which pays more than 200k, 250k, and with the experience, your earning potential will go up and up, because there are a lot of new job openings, and once you have the experience in the job field, then you can easily switch your jobs, you can earn more. And remember one thing, like whenever you are learning cloud computing, focus more on the hands-on experience. Try to build this stuff, try to integrate multiple services together to come up with a solution, try to make sure that you know ins and out of the security, and everything gonna pay off. Please spend some time to learn something new, and eventually after a year or two you will be very proud like how much you have learned. So it's all about keeping the momentum, because this cloud field is always evolving, it's always changing. 2 or 3 years ago, if I could remember, the console of AWS, they have very few services, but now they have like hundreds and hundreds of services. Every month they're releasing new services. So if you don't learn more frequently, it's very likely that your skill set are not relevant to the job market. So please focus on learning, and the earning potentiality in this field is almost limitless. Here you have it. Now you know top 3 IT fields to focus on in 2024 in terms of career growth and in terms of earning potentiality. So let me give you some advice, like whether you're gonna choose cloud computing, cybersecurity, or AI and ML. These are a few tips that gonna help you to grow in this all these 3 particular IT fields. The number one is consistency. You need to make a routine, you need to focus on learning, and every day you need to put on the effort, because honestly, these fields are not easy. You have to spend time, you have to put on the work, you have to try, you have to learn, you have to fail, and then you're gonna get the skill set that is required for that job role. So for that reason, so please make a routine, stick to it, be consistent, and think it more like a game. In game, whenever we are achieving something, we feel happy. The same thing should be goes for this learning phase. You should be happy, like whether you get it, or if you are trying to get it. In the process you are learning, and for that you should be proud of. The second thing is that please focus on certification. There's a reason behind it, because whenever there's a job opening, there are tons of applicants there applying for these jobs, and the only way to stand out is to have some certification. When you are applying for the job and you are attached, under the attachment you are attaching all the certification, it shows that you took it seriously, you have worked for it, and you have proof that you know this particular field way better than others. It will help you to get a job, it will also make you confident when you will face the interviews. You will be more confident to answer the questions, because guess what, you have put on more effort comparing to others. So guys, if you have any questions or any doubts about today's video, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna reply you in a very short period of time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. The most important thing in the world is time, and you are spending the time to learn something good from my videos that I really appreciate. So I try my best to provide value from my video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming contents. Well, that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.